Hi, I'm Terri Vinson Jones, founder and formulator of Synergie Skin, and today I want to talk to you about the future of advanced skincare. And it may not be what you think. Like many other brands, you might expect me to tell you about all the ways our next generation products will increase collagen, will increase ceramide, will stimulate hyaluronic acid levels. And whilst that's partly true, there's one aspect of skincare that I believe will shape the future of our industry more than anything else, and that's communication. So, what could I possibly mean by that? Well, every cell in your skin relies on communication signals to repair, renew, and regenerate. And over time, that natural communication begins to slow. This is the core of skin degradation and cellular aging over time. But what if we could change all that? And that's why I created AlgiZome. This is a first of its kind serum powered by patented biomimetic exosome technology. Bit of a mouthful, I know. It works by mirroring the structure and function of human fibroblast exosomes deep in the dermis to leverage your skin's own natural messaging system. This human exosome mimicking innovation is truly groundbreaking. It's considered the most efficient and laser-focused method ever devised to allow our skin to self-synthesize essential elements of healthy, youthful skin. And by that I mean collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, fibronectin, and fibrilin. And unlike most active serums that focus on only one benefit, AlgiZome takes a multi-dimensional approach, targeting visible lines, firmness, elasticity, texture, even skin tone and radiance, all at once. Formulated with patented microalgae exosomes, AlgiZome is also supported by clinically proven actives designed to work in perfect synergy with the exosome. This includes carnosine dipeptide, Synergie's trademarked Tridration Complex, and marine bioferment concentrate to hydrate, strengthen the barrier, reduce glycation, and fight environmental and solar stress. We developed AlgiZome with the same clean science philosophy that guides every Synergie skin innovation, backed by evidence, ethically formulated, and free from unnecessary additives. So AlgiZome really is the ultimate conversation starter for your skin by reigniting the cellular dialogue that keeps it youthful and vital for the life of your skin.